Google CEO Sundar Pichai has promised upgrades to the company's AI chatbot, Bard. The chatbot, which was released on March 21st, aims to rival other chatbots such as ChatGPT from OpenAI and Bing Chatbot from Microsoft. However, reviews of Bard have not been flattering, with many users finding its responses less fluent and imaginative than its competitors. We clearly have more capable models. Pretty soon, we will be upgrading Bard to some of our more capable PaLM models, which will bring more capabilities in reasoning, coding, and answering math questions better. So you will see progress over the course of next week. Pichai acknowledged that Bard is running on a lightweight and efficient version of Lambda, an AI language model that focuses on delivering dialogue. He compared Bard to a souped-up Civic in a race with more powerful cars, and said that PaLM, a more recent and larger language model, is more capable in tasks like common-sense reasoning and coding problems. In The Verge's tests of these chatbots, Bard was consistently less useful than its rivals. While it is able to respond to a wide range of questions, its answers were generally less imaginative and often failed to draw on reliable data sources. To me, it was important to not put out a more capable model before we can fully make sure we can handle it well. Pichai also addressed concerns about the rapid development of AI and its potential impact on society. Elon Musk and other AI researchers recently called for a 6-month pause on the development of these AI systems, citing concerns about immediate risks like the spread of misinformation and the difficulty of controlling these systems once they are connected to the wider web. This is going to need a lot of debate. No one knows all the answers, no one company can get it right. AI is too important an area not to regulate, but it's better to simply apply regulations in existing industries, like privacy regulations and regulations in healthcare, than create new laws to tackle AI specifically. While some experts worry about immediate risks, others warn about more existential threats, suggesting that these systems could be used destructively once they reach a certain level of capability. Pichai agreed that AI safety is a concern. Sundar Pichai: can we have an AI system which can cause disinformation at scale? Yes. Is it AGI? It really doesn't matter. Why do we need to worry about AI safety? Because you have to anticipate this and evolve to meet that moment. What do you think about the development of AI chatbots and the concerns raised by experts? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more news and analysis on the latest tech trends.